Hello everyone, Tyler.pabich here today talking sink drain catcher. Thank you to the people over at Trapmate for sending over this product sample. I'm going to do a demonstration at the end, so make sure you stay tuned when it's actually being used in the sink. But let's open it up and see what we got inside. This is the small package that it comes in. Of course, you drop it. There we go. So this is the simple product that comes with it. It is stainless steel, so that is going to be nice. That doesn't rust over time, and very nice clean look. I do like the depth of the basket. There are some that the baskets are a little bit smaller, so you can't really get as much in it. But I do like the depth of this one. Again, like I said, a very clean look. Simple to use. You can just set it right over the sink, and then this basket just hangs down, and then any food particles, anything can get caught in there, and simply then you can pick this up and dump it out in the trash, rinse it out real quick, and then just set it back in. So we have this drain catcher for our shower, so I'm very excited to have this now for our sinks. The one in the shower has worked extremely well for us, and I don't expect any different from this product. But stay tuned here. I'm going to give a quick demonstration. But thank you again to the people over at Trapmate for sending over this product sample. Thanks. All right, so as you can see here, it sits in the bottom of the sink very nicely. You're just able to set it up on top, and I do like I said, how deep the actual basket is, so it's going to be able to hold a lot of stuff in there. Food particles, whatever it may be, but it just sets right in there, and then it'll just rinse right through, and if anything gets caught, it'll be in that chain right there. You can take it out, dump it out, rinse it out, and then put it back in. So hope you enjoy.